It was a sunny morning in the family's cozy home.
Lily was full of energy, ready for a day of fun.
Lily, don't touch my Lego tower! Get back here, Lily!
In her excitement, Lily didn't notice the laptop on the table.
Lily, watch out!
Oh no. What will Dad say?
Leo noticed the accident but stayed quiet.
I didn't touch it. Maybe it just fell by itself.
Something happened here? Lily freezes, hoping her dad won't notice. Looks like it's broken. Who was near it? Lily's guilt grows, her imagination racing.
It's okay. Just tell the truth.
But Lily hesitates, scared of the consequences.
But what if I get in trouble?
Sometimes accidents happen. It's okay.
David stays calm, giving Lily a chance to confess.
Dad, I broke it.
Thank you for telling the truth, Lily. The room feels lighter as honesty fills the air.
It's okay. Everyone makes mistakes. We love you no matter what. Lily learns that telling the truth makes her feel braver.
We can fix this together. Together, the family works to make things right. Okay, I think that's it.
Great job, everyone.
Yeah, we did it!
See this circuit? It's the key.
Wow, how does it connect?
With this light, we can see. Cool, my turn.
See? It's not so scary when we do it together. Lily giggles as the laptop starts working again.
Honesty makes everything easier.
Emma joins in, wrapping the kids in a warm hug.
Thanks for helping me be brave.
Lily feels proud, knowing she did the right thing.
Honesty and love made their home brighter than ever, and that's the honest truth.
I love this! I love you both so much.
We love you too, sweetie.
You're our little angel. I won't be scared to tell the truth again.
Family bonds grew stronger that day. Because honesty is always the best choice.